Kabor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, Kamashin Kabala Snakerpang Kabak Hamskem, Kamsted, Kamklan, Batbaduna Bam Umpia.
The Office of Deputy Commissioner ka East Jaintia Hills District hakan rutarik unaiwing arjar apsan kalapenshai ba ka jingdawa jongka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association ban pentrikam da kaju ka dorkit mar shabar jongka jela kalong kebabian bat ka balongru shabar uput ka jeli trikam jongka sorkar jela. Ha ukurwa bapha Shakila pathai gubor u Deputy Commissioner ulaong hadin ka jingkot yakaran ka Jaintia Hills Cement Manufacturers Association kala pensai ba baro ki karkhana penmi deubilat kila pentrikam ya ka dorket tang hapo ka jela katkom ka jingtha da ka sorkar. Ulaong ru henrei ka MCTODA kala dawa ba ya ka ju ka dorket deban pentrikam ru habaket mar shabar ka jela. Talong kabadon kam ban sruthu ba kamdon kanu ka kandon ka bakdo hapo ka Motor Vehicle Act 1988 bat kanu ka sorkar jela kamla satya ban penmi ya ka jing penmana na ka benta ka dorket mar shabar ka jela. Ka dorket mar ka dei ka bala pensyong nongrem katkum ka jinglong ka yo ka hat ka jingjngai ka jing sruthu jingmut hapadeng ki company bat ki nongket nong. Namar kata ka jingdawa ban pentrekam da ka ju ka dorket shabar ka jela kalong kababian bat kalong ru shabar uput ka jeli trekam jong ka sorkar jela. Ulai ru hadin ka jing penbana ya ka jing yakhi nadu ka arpanyo tarik urisau arja apsan ki bor sensar district ila khot ikran ya baro ki kinhuan. Ya ka jelang lapelong ha ka laipo tarik urisau arja apsan ha Office u Deputy Commissioner Cleariat ha ka bala shimbentalang da ki nong mikman na ka Jaintia Hills Cement Manufacturers Association, ka Jaintia Hills Truck Owners Association, bat ka East Jaintia Hills Truck Owners and Transporters Association. Wat hadin bala pha jingtep ka MCTODA kala kentai bani shimbenta ha ka jelang. Ki artili ki association kata ka GHTOA bat ka EGHTOTA kila pentikina bakin pentelun bej sakmat ya kakam bat ki karkhana penmi dobilat bat ban ajing kersan ya ka jinghi kila IT ru da ka jingtho ban penpau bakin pentelun bej sakmat ya ka jingkit mar la pentep udisi ukurwo ula pentep Henry haka jelang kebalalong haka laipui terik urisau arajar apsan. Bat haka lai terik unaiwing arajar apsan hapedeng ke GHCMA. Bat ka MCTODA balapanya do Deputy Commissioner. Ban yakran halor ka jingdawa balapan sengaw da ka MCTODA. Ka jingdawa kalong ban pentrikam ya ka dorket balapan mikat kung ka jingpan mana. Ban khanglat ya ki jingkit palat put ban akid nong shwa ya ki terok terai jela. Ban penbiang ya kajaka yang kali ban siu biang por ya ki baikit mar bat ban penbiang ru ya ki nong trai. What happening ka jingkular da ki karkhana dobilat ka MCTODA kala kentai ban weng ya ka jingaki bat kala beteng ban khangla ya ki jingya jonggi trok ki bakit dobilat bat kelingka ha silinter ka surok National Highway 6 da ka penwet ya ka jingkit mar bat ya kalek kawan ki padba u ong shushu ukurwa. UDC ulaong baki bor senchar districtin yai biteng banekran bat baro kikinhon ka MCTODA, GHTOA, EGHTOTA bat GHCMA ban poisya ka jingya penbet kanang ban penne ya ka syongsuk syongsan bat ban pentikina ya ka jingya bet ka let kawan kikali bat ban yada ya ka kamkamai jakpo jong kinongnya trok ha baro kuwi ke district.
Ka office jong u Deputy Commissioner jong kani ka district kakwa ban pensyai ya ka jingbuat renti jong ki jingja bat ka jinglong jingman ka ba mi na ka jingyaki ka ba dang ya chakmat ka blakhot da ka seng MCTOA TODA ha ka ba kini ki trok kamai jong ka jela Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners bat ki driver Association persya ya ki karkhana simen ki ba trekam hapo ka district. Ka jinglong tenrai bat ka jing penyaj ka jingle ban balashim halor ka jing yaki bala penbana da ka MCTODA nadu ka arpnyo trik u Risau Arhajar Arpusan Kibor penya distrik kila sedang mardor ban shim yaki sinjam bat ban pensuk ya ka jing yakren hapdeng barok kinong shim benta katkum kani ka balakot ya ka jing yalang katkum kani ka jing khot ya kani ka jing yalang hakaba kwa ban ya trailang bat ka office jong u deputy commissioner kabalong haka lai potrik u Risau Arhajar Arpusan kalashim benta ban penbek ya ki belami na kani ka jing ya kulmar ha kaba kwa ban peniat da ka besuk basan halor ka jing yaki bala penbana da ka MC didoin nado ka arpnyo trik urus Risau Arhajar Arpusan ka kibor peniat distrik kila sedang ba mardor ban shim yaki sinjam ban penyesuk ya ka jing yakren hapdeng barok kinong shim benta katkum kani ka jing khot jing yalang haka laipo terik Risau Arhajar Arpusan ka office jong deputy commissioner kalaya shim bentalang ban wanra ya kinong mi khmat jong kiseng jong kinong shna simen ki karkhana simen na Kajantia Hills Cement Manufacturers Association bat kumju ru ya kiseng try trok harilum jantia bat ka East Jantia Hills Owners Association bat hakani ka jing yakren ka ba la khot lang ya barok ki association nadu ka MC TODA ru ti lalap ba ka MC TODA kala kentaj banwan syakani ka jing yalang ban ya trailang wat la khot yaka wat haba la ailat ya kani ka seng ban wan lang ban ya mir jengmut ha kani ka jing yalang ha ka jing ya kendu ha kani ka lai potrik u Risau ki weipat ki arteli ki seng kata ka JHTOA bat ka East Jantia Hills TOTA kila pentip sya ka administration baki ya trailang bat ki karkhana simen bat kim kershan ya kani ka jing yaki balakot da ka MC TODA hadin kila IT ya ka jing tho ka ba penskem ka jo bat penpau ya ka jing kular jongki ban penne eki kamkit marbam man kasngi ka jing yalang ha kani ka laiterik unai wing Arhajar Arpusan kala penpau ba kala persyang lembah ka district administration nanta ha ka laiterik unai wing Arhajar Arpusan ha ka bala penyat da unongsoy harum bat lai shim bentalang da ka Jantia Hills Cement Manufacturers Association bat ka MC Toda ha kani ka jing ya kendu la penlong ya ka jing ya kran ka babnya halor ka thup jing dawa bala ai da ka MC Toda ki ba kentup yaki ni harum ka jing pentrai kam ya ki dor kit mar bala penbana da ka sorkar ka jing ya da na ka jing kit palat ka jing kit ba kongsan na ka benta ki try trok ba marjan kapor yang kali bat kapor up ha ki jaka bu mar ka jing siu ha kapor ka babyang ya ki bil kit mar bat ka jing bu renti ya ka jing tray ka JHCMA ka la pentip ha ka jing yalang ba yakini ki jing dawa baro latno tang ka jing penbek ya ka dor kit mar ka ba ya ringkat hapdeng ki jela ki baper la pediang bat ladap ban shim ya ka sin jam ki badon kam ban pentikna bala pendep ya ki kendon. Lapen syai ba ki dor kit mar balapen bana da ka sorkar kila treikam lupa na ka benta ka jingkit jingba hapo ka jela Meghalaya. Henrei ha ka ba ya dei bat ka jingkit jingba hapdeng ki jela ka JHCMA kala batai ba omdan kidor bala penbena da ka sorkar bat kum kini kidor la penbek lemba ki lat yo ki bala don lupa kat kum ka jing jingai ka jing dawa bat ki wei ki jing treikam. Wat hapdeng kani ka JHCMA kala penpau ya ka jingkwa ban penlong shu ya ka jing yamir jingmut bat ki nongkit marbam ban pentikana ya ka jinglong hok bat jingshai ha ka jing ya penbek ya ka jingkit mar. Wat la pedang ya ki babun ki jing snokya jong ki ka MC toda kala kentat ban pensonge no ya ka jing ya ki da ka ba penne ya ka jing dawa jong ki ban penbek da ka dor ka ba yadei hapdeng ki jela ka jinglong jingman jong ka an bat karukom hadien kani ka jing yalang layo kubor ba ki dikhot ka MC toda kila khanglat ya ka jingya jong ki kali karkhana simen ha shilenter ka surok ba national highway ka ba pentut ya ka jingya la lot jong ki mar bat ka jingya ki kali da ka ba pek ya kini ki jingja ki pulit district jong ka East Khasi Hills kila hap panchim kya ban penkhuj ya ki pakhang surok ban penlong biang ya ka jingya jingyeng ka batikana bat ban pentikana ya ka jingshong shngan jong ki nongnya kali bat ki pajba ka jingle jong ki pulit kalong ka ba perking bha hapo ka an bat la penlong da ka jing penyat ka babyang ka bapene ya ka jingsuk bat ka jing shong suk shong san ki pajba pau na ki wei pat ki seng ha ka santrik u naiwing arhajar arpusan ki nongmi khmat jong ka JH TOA bat ka East Giant Hills TOTA kilai kendo biang ya ki ba lasoi harum bat ya ki jingpen pau ki ba kila ai ba ki snokya ka ba kraw ba ka jing im jongki ki shak ta jur namar ka jing yaki ka ba dangya chakmat bat ka jing hanglat ya ki surok ba kila pan jing kershan kerki na kaliang ka borsen shar bat pentikna ya ka jing let jing wan jongki trok jongki klem jing hanglat bat banyada na ka jing sha leben ne jing hanglat haki kunhun ki bayaki baro artli ki seng kila karpat ru ba dei ban penrung lang haki nu ka jing yamir jingmut ne jing yalang ki ba hadien habut ki baya dei bat ki kam kit mar bat kit mar haka district namar kidang yai beteng ban treikam kat kum ka an bat kidang penne ya ka jingya dei ka bajan bat ki karkhana shna simen ti namar kata ki kwa ba kani ka jingya treilang kan long ka bayat suk yat bet yat renti ha ka kerdan jong ka jing senshar ka district administration kum ka bor senshar ka penpau biang ba ka shimkya ban pentikena ya ka jing ben bet ka basuk ya ki jing ki baya dei pat ki karkhana pat ki kam kit bam kit mar mata baro lemba ka jing ya keren bat ki lat ki lenti ki baya dei bat ka an kat ba baro ki seng ki don ka hok ban mi khmat ya ki jing ki jongki bat ki don ru ka hok ban ya keren lani bu ya ki mat ki jongki ki bakongsan hakmat ka district administration henrei kalong ka ba khanglat pat ya ki lat kamai da ka babu ya kani ka jing yaki da ka ba ki khang ya ka surok ba bat penthut ya ka jingkit jingba ki badon kam bat ki nong lek nong wan ha ki pach ba ha ka liang ki pach ba ka bor sensyar kan beteng ya trelang bat ki nong shim benta kentup ya ka MC toda JH TOA East Jantia Hills TOTA bat ka JHC MA ban ya trei sha ka jingya penbek ka ba la ban pediang lang baro da ka ba penek ya ka an bat kumju ru ban bu ya ka jing shong suk shong san ban pen tikina ya ka jing lat ya lat lut jong kimar kimata bat ka jing ya lenti bat ban ya da ya ka jing im jong baro kinong trei kit mar ha ka district district administration ka kwa ban pentip ba ka jing trang jong ka administration ka long ba ngi kwa berbor ya ka jing shong suk shong san bat ngi kwa ru ya ka jing penbek da ka ba aipor ban ya mer jing mut lang habaro jong ki association klem da pen dot pen wit lani pen thut ya ka jing le jing wan ne ka jing kit jing ba jong ki wei pat ki nong kit mar kit mata ha ka ba ya de bat ka suk ka san jong ka district ka ka ba ngile ngin hap le at kum ki kendon ki an namar ba ngi hap perkhat ya ki pat ba babun lang ba kanum don kanu ka jing thut namar kata ngi kwa ba kata ka jing ya kren ya mer jing mut kan long lang hak rensan jong ka district administration da ka bang ya kren benya ba bat kren snow thu kun ki riu rang ba knang ba kanu ka kam kanum penthut ya ki pat ba babun ha ka district lani ha ka jalla hi baro ko bai ko blai chipot.
With respect to this ongoing strike called by Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association MC TODA against cement factories from 27th October onwards, so I wish to inform all of you that district administration acted promptly, and on the 30th of October we called a meeting of all stakeholders including Jaintia Hills Cement Manufacturing Association, MC TODA and other two transport associations, Jaintia Hills Truck Owner Association as well as East Jaintia Hills Truck Owners and Transporters Association. But unfortunately, MC TODA declined to attend meeting on that day, saying that they would want to attend meeting separately with the Cement Factory Association, not in the presence of other two associations. However, the other two associations attended the meeting that day and they informed us that they are not supporting the strike called by them and they are working cordially with the cement factories and they wish to continue the movement of their vehicles. So, however, to find a peaceful solution for this, we accepted the demands of MC TODA and again reconvened the meeting on 31st of October as well as 3rd of November with MC TODA separately along with Jaintia Hill Cement Manufacturing Association. So during the meeting on 30th and 31st and 3rd November, MC TODA expressed various concerns with respect to the transports, with respect to the cement factories. Their main demands were regarding fixation of interstate transportation rates and priority to the local truck drivers, reduction in the waiting time and loading time, and also certain regulations with respect to labor laws to be followed by the cement factories. So during the meeting, cement factory also has given a written reply to all their demands, wherein they have accepted all their demands. Only with respect to the fixation of interstate transportation rate, they clarified that there is a rate notification by Transport Department, Government of Meghalaya, which is with respect to the intrastate transport rates under Motor Vehicle Act 1988. So under this act, any state government can notify transportation rates. These have also been following those rates. They informed us during the meeting and they informed MC TODA also that they have been following those rates that have been notified by Government of Meghalaya as far as intrastate transport is concerned, and they are already working with these two associations and they are willing to work with them also in future. As far as the interstate rates are concerned, there is no such act which allows, empowers the state government to notify interstate transport rates. So that was clarified to MC TODA during the meeting. Those rates are dependent on the consignor and the transporter based on their mutual agreement, depending on the distance, depending on the location, as well as the market fluctuation. So that was the appeal from the side of Jayantia Health Cement Manufacturing Association, that they are willing to discuss these rates also, because this will require complex discussion. All rates cannot be fixed for interstate transport in a single meeting, and they have accepted all their demands. So they also requested the MC TODA to withdraw their strike and come for further negotiations with respect to this interstate transport rates. So, however, MC TODA declined to withdraw their strike during the meeting, as till the time a fixed interstate transport rate also is given to them by the cement factories. So, after the meeting, we received reports that MC TODA had been obstructing the vehicles of cement factory and other transport associations, and certain reports were received with respect to harassment of some drivers and vehicles which are not participating in the strike. So because of this, the district police of East Khasi Hills had to take action as per law to ensure free movement of goods, vehicles, and also to ensure public safety on the national highway. So I would again, from this medium, I would like to appeal to MC TODA that while we understand their concerns, and we are still open, and we are always open for dialogue and with all the stakeholders, so that we can find a peaceful resolution to this, to their concerns, to their demands. At the same time, we also request them not to obstruct the vehicular movement on the national highway further. Thank you.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life is plastic, it's fantastic.
We are the cartoon heroes. Coming from Bounty Land.
Oh my love, I know you want my candy man, and oh my love, your word is my command. Jones, calling back to Jones, back to Jones, back to Jones. Wake up now.
Wake up now.
If you're having a good time.